My name is Vijay Lakshmi. Our project title is 5 Degrees of Freedom Robotic Arm, and we have a group of 4 members. They are Jayashri, Uday, and Praveen. We did a great effort on this problem. Definition of our project is design a semi-atomic 5 degrees of freedom robotic arm which is user friendly and able to return its original position after dropping objects, and its weight should be approximately less than 3 kg. The machine constructed should be approximately 2 feet. It should work at least 1 hour and should carry a lightweight object. The budget build it should be less than 3,500 rupees. The base of the arm robotic arm should be able to hold the rest of the all parts stable. Robotic arm should be able to reset back to its original position after the process completion. From the problem definition, we identified the functions of our project. They are: the base of the arm should rotate at 360 degree, have on and off switch to operate, picking and dropping the objects in the assembly line. It should hold the objects. For picking and dropping the objects, the arm should sense the objects and hold the objects, place the objects in assembly line. This unit is holding unit. To switch on and off the machine, we use a Bluetooth device. This unit is controlling unit. For movements, the arm should rotate at 360 degree. This is rotating or moving unit. Systems of our project we identified are: base of the arm, holding part of the arm, moving or rotating part of the arm.
Generated concept. In generated concept, we select 4 robotic arm designs. First robotic arm design is the arm of the robotic arm is too long, it chance to break. Then second one is more weight and cost is also more. Then third one is suitable but picking of the object is not correct, it not holds the object correctly. Then fourth one is better when compared to remaining 3. Generated concept. In generated concept, we selected 4 robotic arm designs. In that 4 robotic arm designs, we selected fourth one because the fourth one robotic arm model is less cost and it is easily pick and drop of the object, and also it balances the base and arms of the robotic arms. Hence, we choose the fourth model of the robotic arm for our robotic arm project.
Virtual implementation.
Virtual implementation of 3D model. In generated concept, we select the fourth design of robotic arm. This is the 3D model for fourth design of robotic arm. And this 3D model consists of 4 DC motor, 1 servo gripper. In the base, 1 DC motor rotates 360 degree and 1 DC motor, second DC motor is connect the base and the arm of the robotic arm. It rotates 60 to 45 degree, same as the third one and fourth one. Then servo gripper. The servo gripper is help for the picking and dropping of the object. The servo gripper is pick the object and drop the object in the line. Then how can we made this robotic arm? We can made by acrylic sheet or foam sheets. The suitable for this our project is acrylic sheet. Then base is made by foam sheets and arms are made by acrylic sheets. Then the servo gripper is obtained in the shops only. How this robotic arm works? First, we can use by Bluetooth or buttons. First, the base rotates 360 or total 180 degree. Then the second DC motor rotates 45 to 60 degree, comfortable to pick the object. Then the same and third and fourth DC motors also same works. Then the servo gripper is pick the object griply, then come back this position, then drop the object in assemble line. Then the robotic arm come back its original position. The total this is the working of our robotic arm for our project. Virtual implementation of circuit diagram. This is our circuit diagram for our robotic arm project. It contains 4 DC motors, 1 servo motor, Arduino, connecting wires and also other components.
I am Kirtana and I want to give the information regarding flowchart. When we start the robotic arm, the base of the robotic arm starts rotating at an angle of 360 degrees. Then we have to insert the object. Sensor senses the object. If the object is detected by the sensor, then the clamp of the robotic arm gets opened to hold the object. We can pick the object with the help of the clamp and then place it in the required position. If there is no object, then the robotic arm stops rotating. Next comes the bill of materials. We require one servo motor of MG995 model, an Arduino Mega AT2560 microcontroller, a breadboard, male to male and male to female connecting wires, and 4 DC motors which rotates at a speed of 60 rpm. We also require 24 nuts and bolts made up of steel alloy. Robotic arm is prepared by cutting and drilling of acrylic sheets, and stand is prepared by cutting and drilling of foam sheets. Using all these materials, we can prepare a 5 DOF robotic arm. Next is motor sizing and battery sizing of the entire system. This contains all the details of DC motor and servo gripper. The base of the DC motor rotates at a speed of 30 rpm. The arm of the DC motor rotates at a speed of 10 rpm. The length of the motor is 25 millimeters and the diameter of the motor is 36 millimeters. The brush is made up of precious metal. Gear head diameter is 37 millimeters and gear head length is 21 millimeters. The output shaft is centered. Shaft diameter is 6 millimeters and shaft length is 22 millimeters. Gear assembly is of spur type. The total weight of the motor is 100 grams. Next are the details of the servo gripper. The servo gripper has an operating speed of 0.22 plus or minus 0.01 seconds per 60 degrees at 7.4 volts. The running current is 1400 plus or minus 30 milliamperes at 7.4 volts. And the stall torque is 19 plus or minus 0.20 kg per centimeter at 7.4 volts. Stall current is 3000 plus or minus 50 milliamperes at 7.4 volts. The running life of the servo gripper is greater than 1,80,000 turns. Temperature range of the servo gripper is at minus 10 to plus 50 degrees Celsius. Operating voltage should be between 4.8 volts to 8.4 volts. Servo gripper consists of dual ball metal bearings, and the length of the connecting wire is 32 centimeters. Next is the functional specifications of the entire system. The base of the robotic arm rotates at an angle of 360 degrees. Arm rotates at an angle of 90 degrees. We can pick the object with the help of the gripper. As the gripper is capable of contraction and expansion, it is easy to pick an object. We can release the object and place it at a particular position by expanding the gripper from 60 degrees to 120 degrees.
Our project is 5 degree of robotic arm, and using the 4 DC motor and 1 servo gripper, 2 9-volt batteries, 1 Arduino and 1 breadboard, and using the 8 relay model, because 1 relay model is give to the only one output. Our project is 1 DC motor rotating both direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So I am using the 2 relay model and controlling the 1 DC motor clockwise as well anti-clockwise. Same using the 8 relay model. First DC motor using the 2 outputs 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the output for output pin mode. And code for the our project code. First run the code. Pin mode 6, 7, 8, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are the output for the DC motors. First entering into the first DC motor rotating clockwise direction, entering 2. Second DC motor rotating clockwise direction, entering 3. Third DC motor rotating clockwise, entering 4. Fourth DC motor rotating clockwise direction. Servo gripper entering the 5, it rotate 90 degree to 0 degree. Entering the 5, entering 6. First DC motor rotating anti-clockwise direction, entering 7. Second DC motor rotating anti-clockwise direction, entering 8. Third DC motor rotating anti-clockwise direction, entering 9. for DC motor rotating anti-clockwise direction. All arms will be come back to the original position, and all DC motors are controlling certain how to rotate the certain angle, used to delay and controlling the DC motor rotates. Entering 0. A servo gripper is rotating 0 degree to 90 degree. It remove the object, release the object, and it place to the assembling line. Thank you.
Thank you.